Hey guys, good morning and good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel Tableau with Ankush. Okay, so if you want guys this full video tutorial, how can I do this? How can I achieve this dashboard? So let's play and see. See, this is the filter. When I let's pause this. Okay, when I select any actors, this give me the donut chart with the percentage and what is the category of this. And if you observe this, the 64% is actor is the title of individual, some text, and the drink alcohol with the and some UK and the rank is the dynamic and out of 10, and some rank as well as, and I've given this some images. You can choose the different images as per your requirements. So I'm giving you the idea how can you do this. Suppose if you have requirement, in one stakeholder comes to your requirement, I want some visualization. It could be the word chart, pie chart, anything in the upper side, and they want some KPI with some text. And this text, sorry, this KPI should be and text should be the dynamic according as per this filter. So let's play this and see how this is changing. Let's pause this again. So if I see the banker, the percentage has been changed, and these the KPIs within the number also changed, and the title has been changed, and the image also has been changed as per the filter. Okay, why I am sharing why I created this dashboard. So when I was the previous company, so the stakeholder has the requirement is the same requirement. Okay, I want this the filter. It has the n number of the companies, like 15 or 700 companies are there, and they wanted to change the filter. If somebody select like Accenture or the Wipro, they give me the insights of Wipro and some random text, not the random text, the relative text as the percentage of what they are doing particular sector, and some kind of uh, percentage the image as per the image. So if you want guys this kind of video, this kind of dashboard, let me know in comment. I will show you how can I do this. Thank you guys.